Okay, review samples ZMB on YouTube. Welcome back. So this is video number 3 for electronics repair management system, A-TRO, electronic shop repair management system. So today we have three clients set up here. So one client we're going to use for customer registry, then the other client for service registry, then the other client for parts registry. So all this data is going to run to and fro the API. Here we have the API already running here. So let's start with the desktop application here. So we're going to customer registry. So let's add some sample data. Bentley, okay. So 0977 1 2 3 4 5 6 address, okay. So I'm going to save that. Okay, the data is here. Let's search. Okay, so the data is there. Funds with Bentley, Osaka, Charleston. So for this one, we're going to come to the parts registry. So in the parts registry, what we're going to do first. Okay, we're going to simulate adding a spare part. So here, okay, let me see that. Okay. Okay. So 34 15 inch laptop, 15-inch laptop screen. Okay, so come there. So this would be like, how much would that be? Okay, let's put 750. So put 750 there. So then we'll save that. And the data of our data is here. Then let's come again here. Let's add another customer. Okay, so customer name, let's add some more sample data. So PHILIP Philip JRY. Philip J Fry. So phone number will be 096 76, okay, 54324. Then the address where the customer lives, okay, Osaka, Avondale. Osaka, Avondale. So let's save that. So I have Philip J Fry there. So let's search. And there's the customer data and the customer registry. So we've onboarded 2 customers here so far. So let's get down to servicing the hardware. And we'll go just one more thing. Okay, we'll go just one more time to the parts registry. So in the parts registry, what we're going to do for now is okay, so we'll go like this. But not yet added to registry. So we just simulate. Yes. go add 100 is there for now. Okay, then we'll save that. Okay, so at this point we've onboarded the customer. We've looked into adding some spare parts into the registry, or registering some spare parts into the registry. Then the next thing we're going to do now is register the hardware for the customer. We'll link the hardware for the customer to the customer data and register that hardware for servicing. For servicing here, so we come here, we'll click here. Okay, so let's add customer information and hardware information. We'll link that together. So I'm going to select customer name. So we'll start with the last one which we added. So we'll say Philip J. Fry. Okay, so Philip J. Fry. So device name is iPhone 12 Plus. Okay, device name is iPhone. iPhone 12 Plus. Okay. So what's the problem with this phone? 40 charging port. So say okay, 40 charging port. Okay, let's see if we have that part registered in the registry. Okay, we've got Samsung screen S20, iPhone 6, USB charging port, Android phone, Huawei, iPhone 7 screen, okay, iPhone 7 Plus. Okay, so we don't have that spare part just yet, so we'll add this here. So we'll add that there. Part repair cost, so say for now 100, then plus a labor cost for repair. Okay, so we'll save that data for now, since we don't have the spare part for the customer, but we've linked the data, the customer data in the customer registry with the hardware that belongs to the customer. Then this information will put it as a sticker on the device, so that if they want to do some queries on the hardware, they can make a phone call and come and somebody can respond to them and tell them how far the repair process is going on with their machine or with their device, let me say. Okay, so let's see. I don't think there's too much data here. Okay, so here we have Philip J. Fry. So this is the data we just added. So all this data is going to and from the API here and things like that. So now let's okay, let's go find another customer. Okay, Farnsworth Bentley. So let's link the hardware to the customer details, and then we'll add that as a sticker onto the device. So we'll come back again into the form. Okay, so here we say customer name. So Farnsworth Bentley. Okay, Farnsworth Bentley, the numbers loaded automatically. So now here it's not just electronics repair management system for electronics repair business or electronics repair shop, but it can also be used not only in a mobile repair shop, but also just general electronics servicing shop where they service other types of electronics. It could be laptops, desktops, phones, other type of electronics devices. So here the device we have is NEC laptop. So the device model is Versa Pro. Versa Pro VR-D. Okay, VR-D. So what's the problem with this one? So screen replacement, ink box on screen. So say ink blots on screen. So we'll check in the registry now if we have the spare part. So we'll come here. So screen, Samsung, iPhone, more parts, 34 pin 15-inch laptop screen. That's supposed 34 pin 15-inch laptop screen. So let me just do this, just make some edits. So we come here, so I can edit this data. So I'll come here and then just press N, 34 pin 15. Okay, let's make some space there. 15-inch laptop screen. Okay, so we're done there. So all good. So okay, we can edit that. Okay, so that has been edited. Let's just see. 34 pin 15-inch laptop screen. So let's come here. So here let's load that data again. Okay, so okay, that's all done. Okay, I'll select this for now. And repair cost, that will be 100. It hasn't loaded the price, so I'll just do this. So press cancel there. Sorry about that. So 100 also. And we'll click that. Then we'll press save for now. Adding service info to service registry. So we've linked the hardware to the customer information, so that data can now be put on a sticker, and that data can be printed on a sticker, and that sticker can be put on the hardware device. So let's just go in again. Let's click on this, make some edits. Okay, ink blots on screen. Okay, so we'll come here. So let's look for that spare part. Okay, 34 pin 15-inch laptop screen. Okay, we'll select that. So that's the price there. So price plus labor. So let's say servicing fee. So servicing fee will be 350, for example, given. Then we edit that. So updating service info in service registry. Okay. All right. Then we can come here, customer name. So I can search for the data. So search. I'll come and click here. Okay, there's the customer data. It has loaded. So brought in date. That's today's date. Repair date not yet indicated. So now we can go back in again into the service registry for this data here. So I can go back again there, then set a repair date. So let's say we'll put it on the service queue for tomorrow, or let's say Monday, or service queue for Monday, and then we'll click OK. Then we'll edit. So the customer will be sent this information, then the servicing will be finished on this day, then they can come and collect it any day after that. It will have this info here and info here, so that can be sent to the customer. Then we'll say edit here and OK. Okay, then we can search again. Okay, then there we are. So this information can be sent to the customer to let them know that they can come and pick up their device any day after this. Then we'll move from here, then we'll come here to, okay, so let's come back here. Customer number 31. Okay, so Philip J. Fry. So we'll come here, then we'll search for then we search. Okay, nothing there, so we typed in the wrong name. Okay, wrong word rather. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so let's Philip J. Fry the data. So part not yet added to registry. So let's assume the spare part has been ordered and it has been brought in. Then we can add it to the registry here. So we can come there. So it's okay. Spare part name, I'll say charging port iPhone 12 Plus. So part cost. Okay, so let's say 300. Then we take like that. Then we come and save that data. Okay, so let's have a look. Charging port iPhone 12. Okay, that's there. So let's finalize this data here, the service registry data for the customer. Okay, so Philip J. Fry, iPhone 12 Plus, 40 charging port, part not yet added to registry. So we do have the part here now in the registry. So let's add that there. So that should go all the way down here. Okay, so there we go. We got that one there. So that's 300 plus service fee. So that's 300 plus service fee. So we edit that, and that data is up to date. Okay, then this information, we search for the customer again. So this information, like I said, can now be added to the customer's hardware for reference purposes. Then what we can do now, we give it a date when we're going to service the hardware. So come and click here. Okay, so selected date. So let's say Tuesday next week. Okay, so what is 17th? Okay, then okay. We click OK. Then anytime it's finished, once servicing is done on the 17th, we can let the customer know to come and collect the hardware. Then click edit, and that is done. And this is the end of this presentation, part 3. So there are, I think, 5 versions of this application. So you can get the offline version, the desktop, the offline version, the desktop. Then you can get the offline version, the mobile app. You can get the desktop plus API. Then you can get the mobile app plus API. Then you can get the desktop client and the mobile app client plus the API. Then more features can be added later on. So this is the end of this presentation, and thanks for watching.